As the temperature difference between day and night widens, moisture in the air condenses overnight, forming morning dew, a sign that autumn is on its way. White dew, or bailu, as its name suggests, is the most poetic among the 24 solar terms. During this period, sunlight loses its summer intensity, casting a softer glow. The gentle breeze rises in the fields and sweeps delicately, accentuating the clarity of light and shadow and bringing a sense of smoothness to life. Though the grand autumn harvest has not arrived, from the white dew, life begins to offer glimpses of the impending abundance. The hardships of the past have raised hope, which is to be cherished in anticipation. Every glance at the mountains and rivers is enough to bring solace to the body and tranquility to the mind. White dew marks the time to bid farewell to the past, and the distinct chill of autumn begins to settle in. What has been sowed is poised to grow in the season ahead. Everything in the world is impermanent, and time often holds back some of the answers. If the humps that sprout in spring cannot endure the trials of wind and rain, they may fail to manifest into myriad phenomena. A life imbued with hope remains attentive to every solar term. What is squandered bears no relevance to the grandeur unfolding before our eyes. Only through the passage of time can the poetic beauty be testified. Treasure the days following white dew, because the most poetic days will embark alongside the autumn wind.